So I would like to apologize. I left my other camera, the one I normally use, in my other house car, and she's away working. So this video is going to be done on my GoPro. So sorry about that, but it's only one video and that's what I got. So that's what we're using. Just so you know. Hello homebrewers, and welcome to my channel. So today is the part 2 of the cheapest possible mead you can make, value mead. It's been bubbling away, doing its thing, and it is now cleared. Now, the yeast nutrient I used had bentonite clay in there, so it makes it a bit difficult. It already pretty much all sinks to the bottom, but at the same time, it has almost stopped. The bubbling has stopped. It is ready to go. So I've popped a hydrometer in, and it's reading 1.010, which gives us an alcohol of 8%. Now, if you want to be exact, it's actually 7.88. But we work on ish here. We're not selling it, so 8%, perfect. Closer to it is to 8 than it is to 7. So what we're going to need to do is sterilize our worktop, which I've already done, and sterilize our equipment. So that means the bottles, which I've got over in the background there, which I've just rinsed out from being sterilized in bleach and washing up liquid, and also my siphoning tube and my peg. Now, you don't have to sterilize the worktop, but if you do, it's one less thing you have to worry about, and you can just sort of stick stuff down on it. So I'm going to go grab the bottles, and we're going to bottle this up. So I have a nice selection of bottles. Now, I've got some clear ones, these little ones. I could just do one, but at the same time, these are nice little drink and have some, chill it, and it'll be great. I also got some big ones as well. They happen to be green, that's why I've got the clear bottles, so you can see what it looks like in a smaller glass bottle. So I'm going to go ahead and siphon this into these bottles, and I'll be right back. So this is the end result after bottling up the mead. So we have approximately 4.25 litres of mead and a fancy glass to try. Now, you may notice that I didn't degas my mead. It's something I really don't do because I don't use preservatives. The CO2 atmosphere that you get in the alcohol protects it. Kind of like the protective atmosphere you get in like jerky and stuff like that. Basically the same principle in here. So because it's not degassed, it does have a very small amount of carbonation. Just leave it in there. What you do is when you chill this and then pour it out in a glass, just give it a little swirl and then give it a drink. Carbonation is gone. It is a very light carbonation. So time to give this a little taste because it did finish at 1.010, which means it is not dry. Not something I usually make, but I did this on purpose. So let's see how this tastes. Ooh, that's good. So because it's got the extra sweetness, you can drink it straight away. It does have a caramel undertone, and also honey as well, and kind of floral. I wasn't expecting the floral because it was really cheap honey, but it's in here, which is good. I'm very happy drinking this, and I can be a little fussy about sweet things, but this is really good. Who knows? So, while it is able to be drank straight out of the demijohn, basically, just give it a little shake and it will taste even better if you leave this to age. While mead can be drank as soon as it's made, it will taste better with a bit of aging. Now, it's up to you if you want to do that. Basically, I've got these bottles here, which I'm just going to stick out the way and not worry about it. Then I've got these bottles here, which are for giving away. Got some people that really enjoyed the midnight mead. Actually, really did enjoy the midnight mead. And a few of the other meads I made, the caramel ones, really love them. So, little bottles to say thank you. So, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I apologize for the camera, but it's only one video. So don't forget to check out some of the other videos, subscribe, and of course share. And carry on homebrewing, guys. See you later.